Okay, what you are about to see is not real. I'm going to show you a few videos that were made by AI, and I want you to look and listen closely, especially regarding the facial expression or the lip movement that correspond to the audio or words that are being spoken in the video. So I want you to pay attention closely.
When I am alone, I sit and dream, and when I dream, the words are missing. Yes, I know that in a room so full of light, that all the light is missing.
Okay, that was the first example. Let me show you another example.
Club isn't the best place to find a lover, so the bar is where I go. Me and my friends sat at the table, blowing shots, drinking fast, and now we talk slow.
Okay, how about this video of Albert Einstein explaining something?
I do stand up all the time. I'm a stand-up comedian, improviser by trade. You had me on one of the most fun experiences of my life is that.
Okay, just remember that these videos are not real and they're actually made by two elements. So there's only one picture and then one audio file, and an AI called OmniHuman will try to make the person in the video to be, or sorry, in the picture to be saying something or maybe singing the song or the audio that you imported to the model, and the result looks and sound really realistic. So this OmniHuman was created by the company behind TikTok, and right now they have released this model into their own video editor called Dreamina from CapCut. So I'm going to show you how you can use that exact feature, which is OmniHuman, in this tool called Dreamina. So what you need to do is that you have to prepare one picture and then one audio file. You can also use a text-to-speech in this platform if you want to, but I have an audio file that I'm going to use as an example. So let's navigate to dreamina.capcut.com, and then you can create a free account, and you will be granted 200 credits every single day, which I think is quite generous. Now in Dreamina, there are many things that you can do. You can generate pictures, videos, and a lot of other things, but the one feature that we are going to use is of course the OmniHuman capability. So let's navigate to this AI avatar generator and then click lip sync. And I'm going to upload my first picture. I have this picture of a woman taking a selfie, and okay, let me just select her. And that picture was generated by AI in Reef. I actually have made a video on how you can generate realistic pictures using this AI tool. But anyway, let's continue. And then here you have the option to either use text-to-speech or upload your own audio. So I have an audio that I've created on this tool called Revision. I'm going to play it a bit so you'll have a better idea on how this audio sounds.
Your smile caught me off guard today.
Okay, now let's go back, and I'm going to just drag and drop the file right here. And okay, upload audio file shorter than 15 seconds. Okay, I'll be back. All right, I have trimmed the audio and now it is less than 15 seconds. And let me try again. Oh, sorry, I selected the wrong audio. All right, so I'm going to just click the generate button, and I'm going to wait maybe about 2 to 3 minutes until the generation is complete. So at long last, after about 2 hours, finally I got this result. So I'm going to play it back. I haven't checked it yet, so this is going to be my first time seeing the result. Okay, so let's play this video.
On May, just another Tuesday. Head down in my book, trying to stay busy. Told myself last spring, coffee.
Wow, that's really amazing. I could tell that she's very expressive in this video. So yeah, I think this is the best AI model when it comes to generating a video based on a picture, and then you can import an audio and AI will try to translate that speech into facial expression and lip movement. So overall, this is really amazing. But unfortunately, I can only use it once. I cannot do it again unless if I'm willing to pay for more credits. So if I want to generate more, apparently I have to pay, which is quite unfortunate because yesterday this tool is still 100% free. But well, I guess nothing lasts forever. So if you want to use Dreamina AI video avatar, then you can go to this website and then just follow the tutorial to make a video like this one. But in any case, if you find this video to be useful, then feel free to subscribe to this channel, and I'll see you on the next video.
On Main, just another Tuesday, head down in my book, trying to stay busy. Told myself last spring